One of the most daunting challenges for builders, designers, architects, and developers is communication between all parties. From blueprints, it's hard to gauge if a bedroom feels spacious or how machinery on a production floor utilizes space and workflows effectively. Enter Big Floor Plans. We specialize in crafting one-to-one scale plans for any residential or commercial building, delivered right to your plot, helping clients truly envision the finished structure. Imagine strolling through your future home on site long before the first hammer strikes, saving time and money while getting every team member on the same page. Empower your sales team with the ability to showcase tours on site to clients, potential investors, or other stakeholders. Big Floor Plans brings life into your visions. Our life-size plans? Lightweight, reusable, durable, recyclable, and effortlessly installed. A Big Floor Plan puts you in command of the smallest details. Place windows, doors, and electrical outlets exactly where you envision them. Discover how to bring your dreams to life with our Big Floor Plans. Visit us at bigfloorplans.com or click the link below for more details.